Imagine that you are living by the 30 days life. Yes, the 30 days cycle comes and your life is going. You're just living somebody else's life for 30 days. Again, that cycle goes on for years. And that's what happened with me for more than 17 years when I was living this 30 days cycle life. And one day I understood that it was for nothing, because I got laid off with a month's notice or 2 months notice. And I realized that, well, what happened to my so much of experience, knowledge, skills, and how do I actually utilize it? And that's when I understood that I'm not alone in this journey. There are millions of professionals around the world I have come across who are going through such cycles, and they are surviving on these 30 days. Yes, I'm saying surviving because they are surviving on this one thing, that is their job. Now, is it easy for everyone to actually get into a business or entrepreneurship? 100% no. There are secrets to success which are being actually offered to you in the form of a shiny object. Would you buy that? Will it make you successful? And let me tell you, the success rate is very less. And that is the reason there is a need to create a transition bridge which will actually take you from being an employee to the entrepreneur. And this is what I did when I was in an employment after 17 years of journey. The 18th year I passed on this transition bridge in which I understood how do I actually leverage the knowledge, skills, experience that I have imbibed over the last 18 years. How do I leverage my authority in the market? How do I actually find the USP in me which can add value to some other people, and in the process obviously I make money as well. And let me tell you, my friend, that if you are somebody who is just starting with an intent to make a money, there are more possibilities that you will go broke. But if you are starting to understand that how do you impact the other people with your knowledge, skills and USP, that is where you will start creating the value in the system for the society, for the people, and in the process you create the business, the bridge that is required for you to break this single source of dependency. And that is what I'll teach you in my upcoming masterclass. So if you are somebody who is looking to change the game for your life, if you are somebody who is actually getting stuck in your career and trying to understand how do I actually get ahead in the life, if you are somebody who had always had a dream to own something and start something on your own, then I invite you to this special masterclass in which I will share the complete 5-step blueprint around how do you build your social startup around your USP. And I'm not looking for everyone. I'm looking for the people who see the dreams, who have the guts to actually follow through, and who have the resilience to build their business through their hard work. And if you are somebody, then I invite you in this special masterclass. Just click on the link below and I'll see you on the other side. Thank you very much. God bless.